This is aloe vera and look at it, it's flowering. Today you're going to learn how to harvest the aloe vera gel and how to use it. The medicinal purposes of aloe vera are numerous, especially in the gel inside of the leaves. It's very good for skin healing, specifically burns and sunburns, because it stimulates collagen production, which helps with hydration and elasticity of the skin. It's also very good for digestion because it decreases inflammation and it heals stomach ulcers. It's also very good for your blood, specifically by decreasing harmful cholesterol and decreasing cardiovascular risk. It's antioxidant. It has many vitamins and minerals, which are very good for the immune system. So now that we've talked about the benefits, we can talk about how to eat this. So the gel that's inside is the part that's eaten. However, there is a yellow latex-like substance that is in the skin. So if you want to eat this, you need to cut a piece off and let it to sit like this, so that the latex runs out, but the gel is still in. On internet, they also suggest that you wash the gel. However, I find this a bit complicated to understand. And please let me know in the comments how you did it. So I've cut a piece of aloe vera, and as you see, there is some liquid that is coming down. It's the yellowish color. It's latex. This is the poisonous stuff that can cause various cramps, abdominal pains, various bad things. So we wait for it to all drip down, and then we can use the gel inside as a cream or just to eat. Here they also grow wild. As you see, there are enormous bushes of aloe vera growing on the sides of the road, and they are flowering with beautiful orange blossoms. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing, and you can listen to this video next about orange daylilies and their medicinal properties.